Everybody needs love. Trust me. Everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants to be loved. So let's prepare some amazing love drink portion. Hello, Bosco family. Good morning. Depending on the country where you're not with you, I want to teach you how to make love passion. Okay, so you're going to be adding this to your husband or your partner or your person. Drink. If you be the type of say your marriage not dey treat you again, your husband, your partner, your wife not dey show you love the way you want, this video not for you. This is to sweeten your relationship with your partner. This is to sweeten that amazing moment with your partner. One thing for you to get beautiful family, another thing for the family to be united with love and everything. So this video will teach you how to make this special drink for your partner. Okay, whether not your wife, your girlfriend, your fiance, your partner, provided you guys are in love. So prepare this and share it with him to drink. Okay, why you need this? You're going to be needing it to enhance, to make your love more sweeter. Let's assume you have a man that loves you and you're single, or you get man will love you and you're single. Like, you want me the man to think about you, want me the man mind the way you did, and they do anything where you want for you. Also do this. Everybody needs love for their life. Everybody wants to experience beautiful love with care, with kindness and everything. So to make that moment come true, you can do this. All right, you can do it for anybody, but be careful out there. Not overdo. Okay, not overuse free teaching. Do your thing. Okay, just do it and you see that person loving you. You see the person, like the person not stay without you. Okay, yes. I also get other videos like this where I don't do, and a lot of people have been manifesting with it. Their husband, their wife, their partner love them die. Okay, so you can also check that video. But this is an ancient seed. It's called coriander seed. Okay, coriander. It's called coriander seed. You're going to be pounding it. You saw it from the starting bar. You're going to be pounding this coriander seed. Okay, when you pound and finish, add them to red wine for your partner. Okay, get your mortar. Okay, get your mortar. This is your mortar. Put 21 seed of coriander. Okay, 21 seed of coriander. Make sure you pound 21 seed of coriander. Who is calling me? Okay, make sure you pound 21 seed of coriander. You can divide that coriander after pounding it into 3 parts. Okay, that means you're using it 4 times if you want. If you don't want, you can also keep it, because you need to pound 21 seeds together. So you need to keep the rest. Anytime when you say and say the love don't they get us, it be like, you know, they hot. How them drink their wine. Okay, now so it just be. So keep the one where you pound. You divide that into 4 parts. Just add small into their red wine, shake it and give them. Now get your mortar, put 21 seed inside here, pound them. All right, then divide the powder form into three parts. Okay, add 1 part to the red wine. Okay, try to get cup or any traditional cup like this, or even this calabash. Fine, pour the red wine inside the calabash. They had the things journal, or you get cup like this. Okay, you can see water, and if you check inside, you can see my calories. Okay, there's something inside. This is calories, and this is water inside. I use this cup to drink things. Okay, this is my spiritual cup or my personal Ogbanje cup. Okay, so get a cup like this, or you get calabash or anything, or you can still use normal glass cup, red wine glass cup like this, or white one. It all depends on you. The one where you get, no problem, but always, you know, I recommend all this type, but you can also use the normal glass cup and all of that, no problem. Pour the red wine inside, and the powder form, add them inside. Okay, if they call your partner name, as you they call them, you they enhance, like you they call in a name, you they also they talk what he go do for you. All right, you they call a name, you they also they talk what she go do for you. How you want me the love go, how you want me the relationship go, how you want me your marriage taste sweet, everything. As you they talk you don't need to shout. You feel you they exactly she they prepared, they arrange the wine the inside room, or early morning use red wine to serve your partner. You understand? Let's just toast. you'd already put what you want, you don't call a name, talk what you want. All right, if you get shitty husband, this will also help you. All right, it's going to be all over you. He or she is going to be thinking about you and always be with you and always do what you want. All you need is coriander seed, pound it, 21 seed, pound it into powder form, divide it into 3, add 1 portion to the glass wine, stir them so that nobody gonna know what's inside. Then cheers and drink. Come back for your testimony. You're going to see things change in your relationship. Everybody needs love, forget. All right, guys, have a beautiful morning. Bye.